So let's talk Photoshop today. Today I want to talk to you about the 5 most important tools that will help you on your journey to mastering that program, because I know there's a lot of buttons and a lot of tools there. Hey there, I'm Danielle, a web and graphic designer bringing you tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd.
The first tool I'm going to cover today is the Magic Wand tool. And that one is right over here. Kind of looks like a little wand with some sparkles coming out of it. And that short key for that on the keyboard is W. When you click on this tool and you click on something, say these words right here, it's going to select just what's on that layer that you have selected in just that section. So if you want to select just the letters in the word genius, you'll hold Shift. If they're connected, it'll select it all at once because they're touching. But you hold Shift and click again with it, and it will select that as well. So say, for example, we wanted this to have an overlay. We could add a new layer and add that gradient on that new layer, and it will add that to just what's in that selection area. The next tool I'm going to show you is the eyedropper tool, which kind of looks like a little medicine dropper, and that short key is I. And the cool thing about this is you're going to see this in a couple places. So for your text colors, your backgrounds when you're adding in a background, and it will click on whatever you save. When you click on it, it's going to change your mouse to this little eyedropper, and you can click away on any color, and it's going to change that right over here and save that color you picked. You can also click on this color, and this is another screen where you'll see an eyedropper. Which is your color picker. You can drag around and change, or you can click off the screen and it will change to an eyedropper. Click OK and it'll change it back to that color. The next tool is the text tool. That short key is T, and it looks like the little T over here on the tool strip. So when you add text, it gets put in its own layer in the layers panel, just like this here. There's 2 ways to add text. You can click away, and the only downside to this is that if you keep typing, it will keep just running off the edge of the screen. The other option is you can click and drag, and this will keep whatever text you add within these lines of this box. I prefer to use the text box, which is here, because like I said, it keeps it within this box, so I know I don't have to worry about it going off the edge of my screen. At this point, you can start typing away, and if there's something you'd like to change about it, you can come right up here to the tool strip, and you can select your fonts, sizes, colors. The next tool I want to show you is the rectangular marquee tool, and right over here, it's M on your keyboard, and it looks like a little dashed square. And this is something you can click and drag and select this area. So say we wanted to only have the gradient on the border. We could drag what it is we wanted to cut out. Make sure we've got that gradient layer selected because that's the layer we want to edit. And then we can just take that out and there's our border. If you want to erase something, but only within a certain area, you can use the marquee tool to select something. It's really great for selecting just a portion of something. The next tool to show you is the zoom tool, and that's right over here. It's Z on your keyboard. It looks like a little spyglass. And right up here at the top, you can choose whether you're going to zoom in or zoom out. 100% is just the full size that it's at. Fit screen will fit it vertically, and fill screen will fill it horizontally. My favorite way to zoom, though, is if you hold your left mouse button and you drag towards you to zoom in, or you drag away from you to zoom out.
And that's all there is to it. With these 5 tools, you'll be on your way to becoming a master at Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.